Welcome to eSolish, English for Work and Life. Let's learn some new English words. These are food scraps. Food scraps are the things we throw away after eating or cooking. Banana peel. We eat the banana, but we throw away the peel. Bread crust. Some people eat the crust. Some people don't. Egg shells. We cook the egg, but we throw away the shells. Lemon zest. This is the yellow skin of the lemon. We call it zest. Sometimes we use it in cooking. Watermelon rind. We eat the red part, but not the green skin. The skin is called rind. Onion skin. We take off the skin before cooking. Pea pod. This is a pea pod. Inside are the peas. Pizza crust. This is the edge of the pizza. It's called the crust. Great job! Today, you have learned new words. Let's revise. Banana peel. Bread crust. Egg shells. Lemon zest. Watermelon rind. Onion skin. Pea pod. Pizza crust. Now it's your turn. Which food scrap do you see in your kitchen every day? Write your answer in the comments below.